Choosing the best real estate brokerage for beginners can define early earnings, confidence, and long-term career direction. For new agents and first-time property professionals, the decision is no longer simply about brand recognition. It is about cost, compliance, technology, and support. A brokerage may promise opportunity, but the real test is whether its structure helps a beginner close business efficiently and avoid expensive mistakes. The first issue is fees. Commission splits often look attractive at headline level, but monthly desk charges, technology subscriptions, onboarding costs, and per-transaction deductions can materially reduce take-home income. For beginners, that means the total cost of affiliation matters more than the advertised split alone. The second factor is regulation and compliance culture. A brokerage should be properly licensed, in good standing with regulators, and supported by clear written procedures on disclosures, advertising, escrow handling, and fair housing obligations. Errors and omissions insurance is also critical, but coverage limits, deductibles, and exclusions need close scrutiny. The third point is business focus. Beginners typically gain traction faster in residential property, where deal flow and training are often stronger. But firms differ widely in their support for leasing, new construction, land, luxury segments, and investor services. That matters because a mismatch between a brokerage's inventory and a new agent's intended niche can slow progress. Technology is now a decisive factor. CRM systems, transaction management tools, e-signature platforms, MLS access, marketing automation, and mobile usability all shape daily productivity. In a competitive market, weak systems create friction. Strong systems reduce errors and accelerate closings. Industry analysts say the best beginner brokerage is rarely the cheapest or the most visible. It is the one that combines transparent economics, effective supervision, practical training, and tools that support real-world execution from day one. The broader message is clear. A first brokerage choice should be evaluated like any financial decision, objectively, carefully, and with full attention to risk as well as reward. For the full analysis, visit finlitica.com.